In today's video, I'll give you a brief idea about Algo or Algorand, and I will point out the realistic price prediction that I'm targeting at the moment, and as well what are the levels that I'm looking at where I want to buy some more Algo for my cryptocurrency portfolio. Hello everyone, it's Petko Alexandrov and welcome to the trading channel. Today I'll be talking about my investment in Algo, why I like it a lot, and what is the realistic price prediction that I have for the Algo. So you can see that on my cryptocurrency spreadsheet I have bought the Algo 2 times. I have totally 500 coins and my average cost is at 123. So already this asset is on a profit. Right now the price sits at 136.52, but the reason I like Algo is because it is a pure proof of stake. And as you already may know, the future will be in staking cryptocurrencies, not mining them. And recently Bitcoin and Ethereum dropped a lot after a few negative posts from Elon Musk about how much electricity Bitcoin uses. I'm not going to discuss that at all in this video, but in the times when Bitcoin and Ethereum were negative, Cardano was super positive, and as well as Algo and some other proof of stake cryptocurrencies, they just remained positive. Okay, so Algo is a pure proof of stake. If I go to their website, right now I'm on CoinGecko, which is a great website for analytics, but I want to show you their official website at algorand.com. So they have some real-time mainnet metrics, and if I scroll below you will see that it's really a professional website. Okay, and one more time, I like the idea of Algo because it's a pure proof of stake, and I already recorded a video about how you can stake Algo. Basically you don't need to do anything. Okay, you just keep it in your wallet and it will bring you a passive income, and you will be increasing your Algo coins just by keeping them into your wallet, which is fantastic. Okay, you don't need to delegate rights to anyone like with the Tezos and the others. All you need to do is just to keep them on your wallet, and I keep it on Ledger, and as well you see it supports Ledger. If I go back to my cryptocurrency spreadsheet, you will see that I keep the Algo on Ledger, which is a hardware wallet where the cryptocurrencies are stored safe. Make sure to buy Ledger only from the official website if you decide to, and I will post a link below the video. And with simple words, the Ledger is known to be one of the safest crypto wallets because it's a hardware wallet, it's not connected to the internet, so it's secured. So I haven't checked it recently, but I already have above 500 coins because I've been staking it and I'm getting rewards from staking the Algo. Alright, so going back to the chart, I want to show you what is the realistic price prediction, and actually you can see that on Reddit and on Twitter they have pretty decent community. Okay, 28.2k members on Reddit, and as well on Twitter they have nearly 100,000 followers, which is not bad for a coin that sits at about $1.20. Okay, so this is my current setup with the Algo. Stay with me if you find it complicated. I will explain it very simply. I'm on a daily chart for the beginners. That means that each candlestick represents one day. So this small red candlestick at the end is today. Now what I have here is one counter trend line which I have used to buy the Algo, and the entry signals for me come when the price breaks the counter trend line. And I explained this system in my cryptocurrency investment strategy course with details. I will post a 50% discounted link in the description below if you want to learn more about my price action trading with some live examples. And as well, what I have here is the Fibonacci. So Fibonacci is one of the best ways to determine targets and realistic price predictions when we have record highs with the coins. Okay, so we don't have anything above $2 with the algo, and we cannot say, all right, the price has reached $3 in the last 6 months, we expect it again to reach there, or $4 or $5. We can count the round numbers, but when we don't have anything above, the best thing is to use Fibonacci. I've been using it for over 2 years now and it works great. I've shown it in many of my videos, and right over here you see that this is my last movement. So I draw a Fibonacci from the top going to the lowest retracement from the previous Fibonacci or to the lowest point of the last move, which gives me retracement levels, right? It has 61.8, 50%, 38.2. These are the most popular ones. So I usually draw a box, this purple box that I have right over here, which is locked between the 23.6 and the 50. So when the price does a retracement, as it did right over here, I start to look for buying opportunities. Okay, I use counter trend lines, I use some patterns, but at the current moment you can see that the price is a little bit higher than this level. And as well over here we have the $1, which is a round number because it's the $1, and it always shows support or resistance for these cheap coins. Okay, right over here I can just go to the settings and I will just make it precisely at $1. Okay, here it is. So you see that the price stopped a few times, failed to close below on the 23rd of April as well. And if the price does another retracement down to this zone over here, I'll be happy buying it. Okay, I'll be happy buying it somewhere over here. And as well I might look for a break of another counter trend line. In this case it will be an aggressive counter trend line right over here. All right, so if the price does something like that in the next weeks and drops to these levels over here, and then it breaks the counter trend line again, I would be happy to add some more algo into my portfolio just above the $1. Okay, if it drops below the $1, then I'll be a little bit skeptical to add more because it will get below the $1. And if the price breaks this low, if I put the mouse on this candlestick, you will see that the lowest point is 0.8968. So if the price gets below that level, we will have a clear downtrend already on a daily chart, and I'll be just waiting for the new uptrend before I buy any more algos. Okay, but ideally I'll be looking for such a setup, and if the price breaks the counter trend line right over here, I'll be happy to buy some more and improve my average price. If I do that, I will let you know in my Patreon's page. This is where I share my cryptocurrency investments. Simply I give crypto buy alerts, crypto sell alerts. Recently we had a great profit with the Ethereum where I have sold it almost on the top, about the $4,000. Then I have rebought it cheaper. And simply said, if you want to follow all of my cryptocurrency investments, you can check out my Patreon's page. I will drop a link below the video. And what is the realistic price prediction? It comes with the Fibonacci right over here. This is my last Fibonacci. The price didn't reach new highs until then. And what are the targets? As you can see above the Fibonacci, we have 4 levels. So the first target is 287, the second one is at 448, the third one is at 610, and the fourth one is at $7.10, and the one I'm looking at is the second one. Okay, 4.48, nearly 4.50. All right, so I'll be super happy selling the algo above the $4, somewhere between 4 and 4.50. We'll see where it will go, but if I have to give you a precise number that I'm looking at, this is 4.50. And just below the $5, which we can consider kind of a roundish number, which may play the role of a resistance level, okay, then selling it somewhere over here will not be a bad idea. And then if the price makes another another drop and we have another retracement, I'll be looking for new buying opportunities. Okay, so one more time, ideally if the price reaches these levels, I'll be happy to sell it and take the profits. Then I will be looking for new retracements with the Fibonacci, buying it one more time using counter trend lines and the Fib retracements. This is what I've been following for quite a long time. Works great. Of course, you need to be patient. And one more time, if you don't want to do that all by yourself, you can follow me on Patreon and I will share with you every time I buy or sell. And as well, you will get access to my cryptocurrency portfolio spreadsheet, which you can copy and use for yourself. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is my realistic price prediction for the algo. I don't want to say it will go to $10, $50, $100 like many other YouTubers do, because this will be just a clickbait video. It will not be realistic. It will be misleading. What I use are the Fibonacci's, and you can see that it worked very well with the previous Fibonacci's, or if you have watched some of my other videos, and especially the cryptocurrency investment strategy course where I shared live trading and live examples, you'll know that the second target of Fibonacci works perfectly for the Bitcoin and for the other coins. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you have found the video useful, thumbs up, and I will see you guys in another video. Take care and stay safe. Cheers.